Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll guide you through the process of installing an extension to Google Chrome. Extensions can enhance your browsing experience and add useful features to your browser. So, let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Step 2. Look for the Settings menu located at the top right corner of the Chrome window. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Extensions. This will take you to the Extensions page where you can manage and install new extensions. Step 4. On the Extensions page, you'll find an option labeled Visit Chrome Web Store. Click on it to access the Chrome Web Store, where you can find a wide range of extensions. Step 5. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you can search for the specific extension you want to install. You can browse through different categories or use the search bar to find the extension you need. Step 6. After finding the desired extension, click on it to open its details page. Here, you'll find information about the extension, user reviews, and screenshots. Take a moment to review these details before proceeding. Step 7. To install the extension, click on the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up window may appear, informing you about any permissions or data that the extension requires. If you're comfortable with the permissions, go ahead and click on Add Extension to proceed with the installation. And that's it! You've successfully installed an extension to Google Chrome. You can now enjoy the added functionality and features that the extension provides. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of installing extensions in Chrome. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.